Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and someone emailed me, a viewer or subscriber, and told me exactly what they did, and they couldn't get it back. They went with nothing selected, they double clicked on that and got graphic and changed it to a white fill. Then every time they draw something, it puts in a white fill automatically, and they could not get it back. So with nothing selected, click on this. Go to graphics. There's nowhere in here that I can see that it says no, that you can have it X'd out. And she's right. The way to do that with nothing selected. So let's make sure we're still on there. We're going to draw a box and then put in a fill. With nothing selected, go to the fill bucket right here and click on it and go down and put an X. It's going to come up with a graphic and just say OK. And because you picked no fill, it's not going to ask you the second question. So now everything you draw does not have a fill, and it doesn't matter what shape you use, it will not have a fill, and you've changed this. I do not know why Corel does not have a no fill setting down there. And as always, I would go up to Tools and save as default, so it will save it. So the next time you open up Corel, you will have no fill. Anyway, I hope that helped her a little bit, and thank you for watching.